Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create really simply in Canva frames. And I can tell you I was struggling looking at tons of videos, and I found a simple way using some free tools to be able to take any logo or even take a picture and be able to create a frame in Canva. So let's dive right in. The first thing that you have to do is have a Canva account, and you go and just open up a new page. Let's just say 3000 by 2000, create new design. Here it's going to open up. Here it is, and then you should upload. So you just drag and drop your logo into to the new page you created, like right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other one because it has everything there. Just give me 1 second right here, and I'm just gonna show you how we do this. And this was one of the challenges is from our site. You can see on the right side of streetcouture.co is I wanted to be able to create something like this, like if there's a collection, or let's just say this is one of the, on the back of a t-shirt part of the surf collection. I think it's amazing. I would love to integrate this into the logo, which you can see here. And again, you can see if I just drag this, you'll see you have the picture behind. So that's what I wanted to do, to be able to really play around with different types of graphics, creating these frames. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, we're gonna start, this is, 1 second, let me just go because I got lots of them. Right here, we got a black logo. So this is right here. What we're gonna start by doing first is we're gonna download this, okay? We're gonna download this, not transparent, right? And this is page 35. So we're just gonna do here, download page 35. And oops, not 135, download page 35 as a PNG, okay? I'm gonna keep the original size as 5000 by 3500. Okay, I downloaded it. No, here we go, download. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into a software called PhotoPea, photopea.com. It's free. And seriously, I've been playing around with the software. You can see I got tons of stuff here open. This was on the Ronin collection, one of the collections. I was trying to do the same thing. You see, I took out all this different transparent background, and I use PhotoPea to do that. But so it's right here. So I'm gonna go, I download, I'm gonna go open, and we're gonna open a new one in PhotoPea. So I let you, set up your account. We're gonna go to downloads. I'm gonna go here. Oops. I wanna have list. I'll have the latest at the top here. Black logo. Here we go. So here we have. So you have here on the right layers. Make sure you go click on the layers to open it up, and so make sure it's selected. So I'm gonna use the select tool, and what we're gonna start by doing is we're gonna make this transparent, okay? Now the tolerance here, the higher it is, the more it takes. So let's just I keep quite a low one at 50. If you need to go very precise, you go lower and lower. Like, if there's very many colors that are very close, the lower you go, the more precise it is. So we're just gonna select this and click delete. Select this, click delete. I'm gonna select here, delete, delete. And I'm selecting the text. You can see because I'm on a low tolerance, I have to click on many of them. Here, I could have probably done 200, would have been faster, but on some others. So there we go, okay? So now what we've done is we've removed, so it's transparent, because that's what we're gonna use back. Then we're just gonna do a file, export as PNG. Okay, we're gonna export this, and we are gonna go here. You can see, okay, nice and clean, save. I keep the quality 100%, and it's called black logo. Keep the name, it's gonna save in the same spot. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here into, I can download it back here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new page. So I'm not gonna copy this, I'm gonna create a blank new page, okay? And what I need to do is I'm gonna open this up here, show in Finder, and here it is. And I'm gonna drag it into the uploads, okay? So there we go. So I've dragged it in, and it's uploading right here at the top. So I got all my different designs. It should be coming in here. I don't see it. We're gonna do that again. Sometimes you have that happens, not sure why. Let's just say I wanna drag here, upload. That's coming, all right, perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this onto here. Did I upload the right one? Let me just see, onto this. So what I'm gonna do is, 1 sec, I'm gonna make this background black here, and I'm gonna upload this onto it. And that is the picture. That is not what I wanted. Let me just make this background, sorry, blue. Oh, yes, it is. You can see it's transparent, okay? So now what you've got is, you can see you have here a top white. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go, let's just say I'm gonna pick a picture, something that I'm gonna put instead of that blue background. Let's go find something. Let's find some, what do we want? Let's say we like this guy right here. Let's say for the sake, let's just say we take this one, okay? I'm gonna put this here, okay? And I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna stretch it out all the way, just for, you know, just to put an image. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click these three little dots, layer. I wanna send it backwards, okay? Send backward. Okay, perfect. So now what I can do is you can see I've got this here. Now, I still have a challenge is I've got all this white around and I want to, let's say I want to put this on a shirt. Oh, by the way, let me just resize that because let's say I want to move this up so I have the Puma's face in my logo. Let's just see if it works. Anyways, it's not really about that background. Doesn't really work with that, but you can do with anything else. It doesn't really matter. But since I'm a bit of a perfectionist, we're gonna put something else. We'll just put this, this city here. 1 second, let me just find it. Where is it? Let's see, let's just delete this guy and we'll put this here, which I think is pretty cool. There. So we're gonna make that full, there we go. And right click, three dots, send to back layer, send backwards there. Whoops, there, and we're gonna grab this and extend it out. Okay, so now what we've got is, now the thing is because you got a layer behind, you cannot ask Canva. Normally you could do edit photo, but it will take the photo behind. You can't take out the background. So what you do is you save this. So now you can already have, but if you want to be able to have just this as a cutout, so you're going to do again, share, and we're going to save this as a picture, just flat, no transparent backgrounds, just same here. I don't want all pages, I want page 36, okay? So I'm going to say page 36, okay, done. Download, okay. Now what I'm going to do is this is going to be a flat picture, okay? And then I can remove the white background, because then I'll only have the cutout. So you see I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna create a new one here, brand new blank. I'm gonna make this white, okay, just for sake. All right, so now what we've got is I'm gonna put here, show in Finder. I'm gonna grab this design over, drop right here at the top. It should show up. And now what's gonna happen this time, if I put this here, you cannot remove background until it's finished uploading, so you just need to wait a little bit. Now this is a flat picture. So then as soon as this is finished uploading here, I can go click edit photo, and this background remover is gonna be available. It's not yet available right now because that photo, there we go, the photo uploaded. So now I'm gonna do background remover. Here we go. And it takes a little time. I like to click on the configure, so you can really see. Now, you see what's interesting is it did not take this white here. So that's a bit of a problem, right? Because I want to make sure that I take that out. So that's one way of doing it, but sometimes it gets it right in Canva, sometimes it doesn't. So in fact, what I would do in a case like this is you can do it in PhotoPea because PhotoPea is a little bit more precise. So we're going to do file open, and we're going to open that last one that we just did. And by the way, I didn't know this was gonna happen. Sometimes it works. So here we're gonna open the last one we just did. You're gonna see here, I'm gonna select this again. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna say delete. And oops, ooh, that took way too much, you see? So I want to do a tolerance that is even lower. I'm gonna do a tolerance of 5. I'm gonna select here and let's see if it takes out there, because you see there was quite a lot of white or cream, so it already took it out. Now you see it's missing a few pieces, so all I need to do is click on there, click on here, click on here, click on here, there. And it's nice, you see, because there's those little areas. Oops, I forgot these two right here, here, and here. And now what we've got is this is ready to go and put on a print on demand or something, you can see, so it's done. And then all we do is export as PNG. And and save, and off it goes. And I'm gonna open this up and you'll see. So not only did I create a frame in Canva, but I showed you how then you can export and get rid of the whites using either PhotoPea or Canva background remover. In this case, it didn't work, but very often it does if there's much more contrast. If I open this up, let's just see if it's opening. Is it still downloading? Let me just see 1 second. Show in Finder. I'm gonna open it here. And oops, it opened up on my other screen. So I'm gonna drag it. And you can see whenever it's gray like that, that's a transparent background. So yeah, really, I was struggling. This was something super important I wanted to be able to do. And you can see it just allows you to play around. You can start putting other backgrounds, and you can do this across, logos, anything that's kind of a fixed color using those two tools. So hopefully this was useful. Let me just get this right here. So hopefully this was useful, and a lot more tips and tricks to come as we're, learning, as we're building our site here with Street Couture and creating designs for our collections. And make sure, you subscribe to the channel, and more tips and tricks and videos to come. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.